Hello guys, magandang araw, gabi na pala. So ngayon guys, papasilip ko muna sa inyo ang pagpapailaw dito sa aming kampo. Syempre, sisimulan po muna natin sa maikling program at dahil nga hindi pwedeng pabain guys. Hindi pwedeng pabain ang ating program ngayon dahil nga nag-aantay na yung ating mga anak sa aming mga tahanan. So ito na guys, mag-start na po ang aming program at habang ayan nga guys, nag-start na nga po, pakinggan po muna natin ang ating choir. Ating tunghayan. Ano yun? Joke lang. 1, 2, 3. Wala pa. Ay, oo. Yes. Antayin natin guys. Antayin natin guys na magpailaw.
When everyone is ready,
Sir Jet, kamay pa lang po yung ilaw ng cellphone.
the moment that
Ay, ganun?
everyone is waiting to move.
Wala namang ilaw ah.
Wala nga.
All together,
Gusto lang naman
in a
ng
minute,
video ah.
in a minute or two, we'll be counting down from 10 down to 0.
Okay.
When it reaches 0, everyone will all together light up their Christmas tree.
Are you ready?
Hura, hura.
Correct.
Ayun na guys.
Bakit ang ilaw yun?
Tingnan natin. And now. And now guys. Ayan na. Let
Ladies and
us.
gentlemen, everyone is requested to look here at the monitor so that we can see our countdown.
Okay.
All together, we will be counting down in
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Oh, galing ha.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas everyone! Wow!
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Bakit nawala? Bakit nawala? Nawala yung Christmas tree. Ayun. Sir, baka tamaan ka ng ligaw na video. Wala, di ka makita.
We hope that everyone is enjoying now watching our Christmas tree.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, this one.